Good morning. I'm sure I look fantastic this morning. It's really early. I had the atomic alarm clock in there. The old scoreboard woke me up at 4:45 this morning. Nah! It was awesome. Here's a clip of that. So anyway, before I call this customer and probably wake him up to go look at his problem, I'm running through some videos. I'm in the quest to get more viewers, more subscribers faster than it's been happening, because I've been at this for a few years with 1,200 or whatever the subscriber count is now. Trying to increase the rate here. So I'm going through every video. I've taken a copy. I printed 4 pages of 3 pages anyway of all my videos. So each video is a little block. There's 155 at this point, 155 videos on there, and I've made me a little checklist just to kind of go through each video and see if everything's right. You know, make it as right as I know how to make it. Adding some channel tags. I've already done that. Just basically tags from you know, each of the videos that I've done, and marking these off. You know, as I get done verifying that all the checklist stuff is done, I'm gonna mark them off. I've already gone through quite a few of these, probably about down to here in this area, with the first set of information that I wanted to look at. But then the more I thought about it, I'm like, I need to dig a little deeper. So I started clicking buttons and finding more stuff, and trying to find the magic sauce that makes these things, you know, pop up where they need to pop up. So we'll see. Today's the 22nd of May 2018, and we are at 1,222 subscribers. So the more subscribers I get, the faster more subscribers come onto the channel. I've seen that. That's pretty cool. So I'm just trying to figure out, you know, what it's going to take to get this thing clicking along. So I've got this monstrosity of a camera here. This is so much bigger and more complicated than what I'm used to. I mean, I even had a hard time turning the thing on last night. Yeah, it's not. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's not that I was doing anything wrong. It just didn't want to come on. So this is day 1. I'm gonna play with this thing after work, and if it acts up again, it'll be going back to the store, and I'll get something different, because I don't have time for new stuff that doesn't work, you know. That kind of upsets me. But I played with it for hours last night. Once I finally got it to come on, it would come on, and I've just got a few more things. I'm trying to figure out how to, you know, like how to do it without sitting here reading this manual, which, you know, I've been referring to it when I want, you know, specific information. I've been referring to it, but I haven't actually sat down and peeled back, you know, page 1 and started reading yet. It's going to come to it, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.